Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will talk about a great big news that is related Shastho Sathi. You all know the West Bengal government initiated a program to cover all the people of West Bengal under the Shastho Sathi scheme. The great news is that the people in Bengal who have enrolled themselves with Shastho Sathi, a comprehensive health protection scheme introduced by the state government, will now be able to avail free treatment at Delhi's All India Institute of Medical Sciences, that is AIIMS, and Christian Medical College, that is CMC Vellore. It's a great news because in a unique move, the Mamata Banerjee government has included the two top hospitals outside the state under the ambit of the Shastho Sathi scheme. It is a brainchild of the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Many people from the state go to CMC Vellore and also to AIIMS in Delhi to get specialized treatment and to have a beer and have to bear a huge cost for the same. Those belonging to economically weaker section face difficulties to get their dear ones treated in Vellore or in Delhi. The patients who have registered their names with the Shastho Sathi scheme can now avail free treatment, I repeat, free treatment in these hospitals, that is CMC Vellore and AIIMS Delhi. It's a landmark decision by the Mamata Banerjee government where top hospitals from outside the state have been tagged under the scheme. I will show you the main features. Here the Shastho Sathi website shows the people covered under the Shastho Sathi scheme approximately 7 crore plus, and the hospital empaneled 1570. It is included government and private hospitals. Still, till now, the persons benefited approximately 11 lakh. It's a landmark decision by the Mamata Banerjee government where top hospitals outside the state have been tagged under the scheme. Under the Shastho Sathi scheme, people get free treatment in all the government and several private hospitals across the state. CMC Vellore and AIIMS are the latest additions. No other state has been able to start such a broad health scheme in the country so far. According to health department sources, nearly 12 lakh people across the state so far have availed cashless treatment. I repeat, cashless treatment. It's a great news. More than 70% of the state's population has been brought under the health scheme. Around 1.5 crore families from the state have already been benefited from the scheme. Shastho Sathi scheme has become extremely popular across the state as it provides better facilities and the centers better facilities than the center's Ayushman Bharat scheme. You know, the central government has launched Ayushman Bharat scheme. It is like the Shastho Sathi scheme. More than 1570 hospitals across Bengal are providing free health treatment under this scheme. A family can get secondary and tertiary health care up to 5 lakh per annum. The beneficiaries are mainly poor people belonging to BPL category and those belonging to various unorganized sectors. civic volunteers, ASHA and ICDS workers, and recently the teachers, primary school teachers and high school teachers uh, also covered under the scheme. The Chief Minister announced the health scheme in 2016 to provide free of cost health services to even those who are suffering from various critical ailments like cancer, neurosurgery, cardiology related issues, cardiothoracic, vascular surgery, etc. And now the facility will be availed by the Shashtrati scheme people outside of West Bengal. You can avail treatment free of cost in the CMC Vellore and AIIMS Delhi. It's a great news, and it's a great proposal done by the West Bengal government. Thanks for watching my video.